Hello good people, greetings from GamiPress, your go-to partner for everything from web development and customization to support and optimization. Want to make your website more engaging and fun? Meet GamiPress, the easiest way to gamify your site in just minutes. Reward users with point, unlock achievement and assign ranks to boost interaction and keep them coming back. So without any further ado, let's turn your WordPress website from a regular website into a dynamic interactive experience, all with GamiPress. First, we will see how to install the plugin. To do that, we will go to our WordPress dashboard. So this is our WordPress dashboard. From plugins, we'll click add new. And in here we'll search for GamiPress. So this is the plugin. It has 10,000 plus active installation. We will click install now. It will take few seconds to install the plugin. As you can see, the plugin has been installed. We will click activate. So the plugin has activated. After activating the plugin, we will get an admin menu called GamiPress. We can go to the settings from here, or if we click these settings, we'll go straight to the settings. So let's go through the overview and get to know the GamiPress plugin. So from the general settings, we'll get the settings for minimum role to administer the GamiPress, that will administrator. We can configure the points, image size, achievement image size, rank image size. We can disable top bar menu, disable shortcode editor, debug mode, and we can clear the cache as well. After that, we have the settings for social. We can enable social sharing. If we click this, it will allow users to share the achievement and ranks they have earned. The preview option is available for Facebook, X, LinkedIn, and Pinterest as well. After that, we'll get the email settings. From here, we can configure the email templates. For example, email template is a default template. We can upload the email logo, the from name, from email address, footer text, and so on. And we can configure the email templates for individual achievements, steps, point rewards, point deduction, ranks, and rank requirements as well. So after that, we will go to the add-ons. The core plugin is free and it has more premium extension as well. If we go to the premium, we will get to see the premium extension. If we click on free, we can see the free extension as well. We have the integration, we have the third-party integration, and we have the tools as well. After that, we'll go to the tools menu. From here, we can configure the bulk settings, for example, bulk reward for points, achievements, ranks, and we have the bulk revoke options for points, achievement, and ranks as well. So there are some points in here. We can check this. We have the option to clean up the logs as well. For example, the types, we can select and deselect all of them at once. So for now, we'll keep this as default. We can reset data as well. We can reset all the data for achievement types, achievement steps, point types, logs, ranks types as well. And after that, we have the settings for import and export on the tools. We have the import export option for the user achievement, user points, user ranks, export user earning, steps, and settings as well. In the system menu, we will get overview of the whole website in here. So let's go to the license. In here, we will get the option to activate the pro version of the GamiPress. And let's go to the asset. From here, we can get the assets, for example, star badges, trophy icons, sticker icons, and so on. For example, there are free for now for few of the assets. For example, if we click get this asset, we'll get to redirect to the GamiPress website. As you can see, this is the website. From here, we can download this one, free version. We have downloaded the GamiPress flat badges. Now let's upload the badges as we have downloaded. Let's go to the add media files. We have selected the files and we have uploaded as well. So we will click dismiss this error. We will upload another files and we have uploaded all of them. Now let's go back to the GamiPress and we have seen the asset. From the help and support we will get all the documentation and support as well, and from the logs we will be able to see all the logs that user has created or user has earned the points. User have earned the achievements, earned the rank types. We can see all of them in here. From the user earning we will be able to see the user earnings, and after that we have the ranks type, achievement types, points types, and dashboard. Dashboard is the overview of the whole plugin. So first let's create a point types. For example, we'll click add new point types. Let's create a point types called crew, role name cruise, and it will be generated automatically. Now we will add new point rewards. For example, when it will earn the point when a user register on the website. For example, if we go to the WordPress, register to website, will give them 100 points, save the points, and we will click publish. Now if a user register on our website, they will earn 100 points. Now we will go to achievement types. Let's create achievement type. Achievement type will be captain. Captain role name will be captains, and slug will be generated automatically. Let's create on publish, and we can configure the default achievement image. For example, this will be the achievement image. Let's publish this one, and after creating the achievement type we will see another admin called achievement and captains. Now let's create a new captain. This is achieve captain, and in here we'll set the description, and achievement data will be point rewards. For example, 50. Choose the point type crew member, earned by completing steps or minimum number of points. Minimum number of points is, let's set to 80, and congratulations text, thanks for achieving this captain. And maximum earning per user, we can configure this as well. We can configure the hidden, we can allow unlock the points, earning, and so on. For now we'll publish this one. Let's click on publish. After that we will see the rank types. For example, let's create a rank type to starter, role name of starters, and slug will be added automatically. Let's configure the image and hit publish. Just like the achievement, when we create the rank types, and ranks admin menu will be added as well. And if we go to the starters, we will be able to click new starter rank. The description will be here. Congratulations. Let's copy the congratulations text in here, and we can allow rich user points. Let's click this one, user to unlock 100 points. Choose the point types to crew, and we will click publish. Now we have created the GamiPress point types, achievement types, and rank types. Now we will see how a user will get the points. Before that, let's see how to show the points on the front end. For example, if we go to our website, there are so much menu. So let's configure this one. We will go to the appearance editor, navigation. We'll click the navigation to edit. Let's remove some of them, or let's remove, delete and save. Now we don't have any menus. Now we will go back to the WordPress dashboard and create a page called GamiPress. From the plus icon, we'll get some blocks for GamiPress. Let's search for GamiPress. We'll get the single achievement block, achievement list block, user earning. For example, let's click on this one. We don't have any earning yet. Now we can add side points. For example, this one. We can add achievement list. We can add user points. For example, user points. Let's configure the point types. That will be crew, and publish. After that, we will add this page to the menu. To do that, let's go to the appearance editor, navigation, and the edit. In here we will add, let's say, GamiPress, and save this one. Let's go back to the website and visit the page. If we click GamiPress, we don't have this achievement 50 crores. We don't have any earned points. To do that, to see the point types and points, let's create another points. For example, if we go to the GamiPress point types, add new point types, or point types, we can edit this one and add new reward points. Let's say we will go to the WordPress, comment on a post, earn 100 points, and save all point rewards and update. Let's click this one. We don't have any earned points, and let's go to a post, all post, and this one, let's create a comment. This is a comment. Post the comment, and we should earn some points. Now we will see from a different user's perspective. To do that, let's go to this window and log in as a test user, test, and log in. Let's go to the front end, go to GamiPress. As you can see, it has 100 points for registering the user. Now we will go to the post. For example, hello world. Let's create a comment. This is another comment. Post the comment. This is awaiting for moderation. Let's go to the admin dashboard, go to comments, and approve this one. The comment has been added. Now we will go to the GamiPress again, and we will see the points now. One more thing I would like to show you in here, that is GamiPress logs. To do that, we need to go to admin view. From the GamiPress, we will click logs. From here, we can check all the logs, even it's public or the private. We can check the dates, we can check the user, and we can check the type as well. So this is how easy it is to gamify any WordPress website with the GamiPress. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out upcoming WordPress tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching. I will see you on the next one.